Often the question is asked, why won't my car start? This happens in all seasons. It could be cold, hot, doesn't matter. You come out, turn the key and nothing happens, or it clicks. All sorts of different symptoms of why the vehicle won't start. So you could have a bad fuel pump, you could have a bad starter. It depends on the symptoms. Bottom line is most of those are going to need to be towed. But some things that you could try, you could put your vehicle in neutral and try to start it. That may allow it to start. You can wiggle the key until you try to get it if it's not turning all the way, and that may get it to start. You can try jumping the vehicle. One thing with jumping it, if it's a newer vehicle and you try to jump it off an older vehicle, sometimes those batteries just don't have enough power. So make sure you're getting a good connection. You may even want to use a battery pack or a jump pack to be able to try to start that vehicle, because you may have it towed in and then we end up jumping it with a normal jump pack and it starts. So those are some tips, ways to save you money. But if it doesn't start, bottom line is you're probably going to have that towed into your local repair shop. So any questions on why my vehicle won't start, give us a call here at Carz R Us in the Chesney Park.
877-4277